Escape to northern Thailand, a land of breathtaking beauty and ancient wonders. Explore the historic city of Chiang Mai with its magnificent temples and vibrant markets.
Journey to Lampang, where you can experience the charm of horse-drawn carriages and discover the unique Wat Phra That Lampang Luang.
Be amazed by the dazzling White Temple in Chiang Rai, a masterpiece of modern Buddhist art.
Immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Hill tribes with their colorful traditions and warm hospitality.
Northern Thailand, a journey for the soul. Are you seeking world-class medical care without breaking the bank?
Then look no further than Thailand, a global leader in medical tourism.
Our hospitals and clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and staffed by highly skilled and compassionate medical professionals.
We offer a wide range of procedures, from routine checkups to complex surgeries, at all affordable prices.
And our beautiful beaches, delicious food, and warm hospitality will make your stay a truly magnificent experience.
Thailand, where your health and happiness come first. Thailand's update.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our old-top crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand only. Sawasdee krap and good evening everyone. My name is Tom Sukrit Krasasuk here as your host, and you are now listening to Thailand's Update. Usually in this show, which is a special program to boost on the business tourism here in Chiang Mai, we normally talk about business, about tourism, about strategies, or the newest tech hub here in the northern regions of Thailand. But today, we are heading out to a stadium, or the stadium. Not just only a stadium, but we are talking about international sport. Not just who wins the trophy, but how hosting these giant events would change our economy forever. When a world-class marathon or golf tournaments or the e-sport or extreme sports comes to Thailand like this, it is not just only about the athlete themselves that came, but the massive business operations, even their maybe they accompany or their families, like entourage like that. So my goal today is to show you how hosting the world brings the world activities like this would bring more than just a cheer, but it's bring new jobs, better roads, better facilities, and of course put our home in the global map that we are appearing as a top-tier destination for business too. Let's say thinking about the international sport events or like a marathon that pop up here in the city. All of a sudden, thousands of people, athlete, coach, fans, and medias will all arrive at once here. They need, of course, first one, hotel, need transportation, need you eat our restaurants, and of course, they will use our transportations here. And of course, these interpret in the business world that we call this is economic multiplier effects. How? It's like every baht we spend on the events, it actually creates many more bahts of value for our local economy. Simply, it is game, it's a sport, but it's not just that. It is a powerful engine for the growth of the city. Let's take a look on the major trail running events or international cycling race that we had recently, whether just like Doi International Thailand by UMB or After Trail Running, the Spartan, or many events that having here, even this local one like the volleyball championship or golf tournaments like that. These attract high spending tourists who stay longer and care about our nature. Again, by hosting these events, they aren't not just showing off our beautiful mountains environment, but we are proving that Chiang Mai has the world-class infrastructures to handle the biggest crowd in the world. Like that, it's just to prove our readiness. A big event like this would be considered like a billboard for our city. Let's show a big one, and of course, stay here with me. After the break, we will look at why sport tourism is the fastest growing part of our economy, and to show you how business can get ready for the next big whistle. You're now listening to Thailand's Update with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk.
Are you seeking world-class medical care without breaking the bank?
Then look no further than Thailand, a global leader in medical tourism.
Our hospitals and clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and staffed by highly skilled and compassionate medical professionals.
We offer a wide range of procedures, from routine checkups to complex surgeries, at all affordable prices.
And our beautiful beaches, delicious food, and warm hospitality will make your stay a truly magnificent experience.
Thailand, where your health and happiness come first. Welcome back. You're now listening to Thailand's Update with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk, as your host. As part one of the corporate strategies here, many times I look how city can grow its brand, like city branding for Chiang Mai. When we talk about hosting the world, we aren't just talking about 1 week events, but we are talking about the legacy it left behind. Let's say, I'm taking example from the 18 SEA Games that was organized here hosted here in Chiang Mai in 1995. You see, that's its impact. We still have a lot of infrastructures, the facilities here that existed. So we call this a strategic infrastructure development. Basically, we use the sport as a reason to make our city better for everyone. So the big idea here is when there was one movies, it's like called Click, even I'm misremembered. It's just like when you click something, it's just moving like push the fast forwards button. This is the same thing when we win any bidding to host an international competition. It's like that. We click fast forward button to our city developments. because it would need to, in order to host world events like that, we need to have the best airport, the fastest internet, and the cleanest hotels, the better facility to welcome all the guests like that. This is the reason why it creates a long-term value, because first of all, we can foresee that right away that will be created job. It's not just about the athlete itself, but we need events manager, the tech experts, the logistics teams, the hospitality stars. All of these are the high skill jobs that they need to stay here longer after closing ceremonies. It also boosts the infrastructures here in the city, because like you see that in the canal roads that was developed are constructed to welcome this SEA Games in 1995. But look at until now, this is the upgraded facilities, upgraded stadiums that built for this event become the community assets that will be used for like years and decades after that. You see 1995, 1920, 22. So almost 20 or 30 years already. You see that that's still benefiting the people in that cities. Thailand's update. Some of those examples that hosting world-class events, they move from being small town to the hubs, whether it's regions, whether it's the global level. But Thailand is also doing the same here. We using sports to show the world that our soft power, our kindness, our people, our culture is backed up by hard infrastructures. This is the world-class abilities to organize execute the big ideas, because the collective actions, that's what we call, right? So when people come around the world, we call it when the worlds come here and plays here, everyone will win here. Why? Because how this would help the environments and our local communities. After the break, let's take a look on the green side of sport and why a clean city is the best stadium of all. You're now listening to Thailand's Update with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk, on 98 FM.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand only.
Are you seeking world-class medical care without breaking the bank?
Then look no further than Thailand, a global leader in medical tourism.
Our hospitals and clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and staffed by highly skilled and compassionate medical professionals.
We offer a wide range of procedures, from routine checkups to complex surgeries, at all affordable prices.
And our beautiful beaches, delicious food, and warm hospitality will make your stay a truly magnificent experience.
Thailand, where your health and happiness come first. Welcome back to the Thailand's update with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk on 98 FM. Nowadays, the world is looking in different kind of arena. People not just want a concrete stadiums only. They even don't have to be in the stadiums itself, but they want to compete in nature. When the host international mountain bike, or I mentioned that UMB Doi Inthanon Thailand, or the Spartan race like that, it's really they race in the forest or in the mountains here. This is bring us very important point here. To keep the game coming, we have to keep our nature beautiful. This is what we call the sustainable sport tourism. This is aligned perfectly with the UN SDG, or Sustainable Development Goals, that mention here specifically on goal number 15, life on lands. That the past people worry that the big event might hurt the environment, but actually, best events actually helped to protect this. The major sport organizations now, they are look for green host by keeping our air clean, our forest healthy, and become the first choice for global events. Plus, it's beautiful, right? The community also pride, because this event would empower our highland communities. Local people will become the guardians of the cause, using the traditional knowledge to manage the lands and earning fair income as event partner, because we grow together here. And also low impact, high value. It's not like a big or the giant mall like that. The trail run, they use the path we already have. It's bring the high spending international visitors without needing to change the face of our beautiful mountains at all. What you need to think here is just like, if we would have any international ultra marathon here in Chiang Mai, they would see runners often climate conscious. They don't leave trash, often participate in local tree planting as part of the race, and this is actually investing in nature while playing the games. They turn every athlete into a spokesperson for our city natural beauty. So sustainability become a requirement, not an option anymore. So global sport federations now also give a higher score to the cities that can prove that they protect their environment by being green stadium. What we call stadium is not just only the concrete stadium anymore, right? Because Chiang Mai is not just protecting its lungs, but it's protecting the future incomes too, in order to do this. So when we take care of our lands, the land will take care of our ceremonies. But for our local business owners, how can you catch this sport wave? So let's take a break here. After the break, I will give you some tips here on Hospitality Alpha. Oh, this is new words here. How to make our brand a winner. You're now listening to Thailand's Update with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk.
Escape to northern Thailand, a land of breathtaking beauty and ancient wonders. Explore the historic city of Chiang Mai with its magnificent temples and vibrant markets.
Journey to Lampang, where you can experience the charm of horse-drawn carriages and discover the unique Wat Phra That Lampang Luang.
Be amazed by the dazzling White Temple in Chiang Rai, a masterpiece of modern Buddhist art.
Immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Hill tribes with their colorful traditions and warm hospitality.
Northern Thailand, a journey for the soul. Are you seeking world-class medical care without breaking the bank?
Then look no further than Thailand. a global leader in medical tourism.
Our hospitals and clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and staffed by highly skilled and compassionate medical professionals.
We offer a wide range of procedures, from routine checkups to complex surgeries, at our affordable prices.
And our beautiful beaches, delicious food, and warm hospitality will make your stay a truly magnificent experience.
Thailand, where your health and happiness come first. Thailand's update. Welcome back to Thailand's update. Before the break, I mentioned one word, which is hospitality alpha. What does it mean? Actually, the alpha would use in terms of investments like extra return on investment. Extra return on investment is just beyond the market average. Let's say if you put this in terms of the tourism or business tourism like this, would mean the extra value that when visitors visit to that place or that the destinations has provided the guests more than anywhere else. So more than expectation, do so exceeding expectation would be the words here. Not only that, but they also put in terms of hearts or feeling that they're using heart or intuitions to the guests, and it's building trust more than just getting money, but the trust memories in return, in exchange, and also in terms of just being good, but they become unique, that irreplaceable anywhere. So this is what we call the hospitality alpha, what you mentioned here. So it's efficient and it's authentic. So let's say if you own a restaurant, a shop, or a hotel, so don't just wait for the crowd to show up, but prepare yourself for your digital front door, that these athletes or the visitors would use AI power apps to find athlete friendly businesses. If your business show up as a place that offer healthy food or fast Wi-Fi or easy digital payments or things that easy for them, and then more than what they expected, that is how you get the brand premium. And also let's say if you are the owner of the coffee shop during the marathon weeks, but the shop can offer express service for sport gear or runners, breakfast at 5 a.m., which is normally not happen much, right? But this is selling a service. They solve a problem to the visitors that will share. Then they will share your business on social media. You see, I come here at 5 a.m. There's no problem at all. When I come here for a marathon, and this is not going to be a record that people or the organizer will use that. So that is easily, when they share, that will be easy PR for you to be known or to be shared in Paris, in Tokyo, in New York, like that. So this is a good bonus for your business. So be prepared. This is what the UN call the goal number 8 on the SDG, which is decent work and economic growth. When we train staff to be sport ready, so got to understand the basic for sport, and they got to understand how the sport people like myself think about that. So we are upgrading our city skills, being inclusive and welcome to all types of athletes here. So preparation is the mother of prosperity. But we are in the final stretch now. After the break, I will give you 3 steps for winners roadmap to help you, or for the business owners here, ready for next big international events in our city. You're now listening to the Thailand's Update with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk.
Escape to northern Thailand, a land of breathtaking beauty and ancient wonders. Explore the historic city of Chiang Mai with its magnificent temples and vibrant markets.
Journey to Lampang, where you can experience the charm of horse-drawn carriages and discover the unique Wat Phra That Lampang Luang.
Be amazed by the dazzling White Temple in Chiang Rai, a masterpiece of modern Buddhist art.
Immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Hill tribes with their colorful traditions and warm hospitality.
Northern Thailand, a journey for the soul.
Welcome back to Thailand's Update with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk on FM 98. Our program be like this every month on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. And this year we do at the third consecutive years already. But to recap here on the last sessions here, we've reached to the lines today shows now. We've seen like hosting the world events in 2026 from now on is not just about to win the trophy or to get the medal, but it's about building a stronger, a smarter, and a greener city. The event will be organizing in the mountains or in the city. Every event will have the chance for us to show to the world that we are ready for this kind of activities or events. So when we host any international sport games or events, this is a big business boost for our shops, hotels, or businesses here. When we build the roads and stadium, we get the city upgrade. But when we host green events, we will protect our natural stadium, which is our mountains, a river. So this is considered as a good environment for all of us here. So we don't just want to be busy only, no. But what we want is we want to be impactful. So if you want to make sure that your business communities would win during this for any big international events, that will be 3 checklists that you need to do. First, to check your digital front door whether it is ready on the map and ready for any visitor or athletes that are coming in. And second one is they have to think like them, think sport friendly, and also go green. That will take care of, because this event will go take care of our land. So clean air, beautiful mountains here is truly a stadium that will bring visitors back for years to come. So that's pretty much for today. So my name is Tom Sukrit Krasasuk, and this has been my pleasure here on this episode 7 for Thailand's Update here. And meet me next time. We'll look at many other things, maybe like future foods or that how can we become the kitchen of the world, like that. So until then, stay active, stay prepared, and let's keep winning together here. As your host for this evening, my name is Tom Sukrit Krasasuk. Wish you a very good evening. Sawadee krap. Thailand's Update.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your northern star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand only.